Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now that you've clearly understood what deductible, copay, and coinsurance mean, it's time to explore one of the most powerful and important terms in the US healthcare system, which is out-of-pocket maximum. So, what exactly is out-of-pocket maximum? In simple and clear words, the out-of-pocket maximum, also called out-of-pocket limit, is the maximum amount of money you'll pay in a year for your covered healthcare services. Once you reach this limit, your insurance company pays 100% of all your covered medical expenses for the rest of that policy year. Yes, you heard that right. Once you hit your out-of-pocket maximum, you don't pay anything more for covered services. Let's understand this step by step with a real and simple example. Imagine your health insurance plan has a $1,000 deductible, 20% coinsurance, and an out-of-pocket maximum of $6,000 for the year. Now, you get medical treatments throughout the year that total $25,000 in billed charges. This is more than your total out-of-pocket maximum. For you, medical treatments. First, you'll pay your $1,000 deductible. This is your first responsibility. After that, your coinsurance begins. You'll pay 20% of the remaining bills, which is $25,000 minus $1,000 equals $24,000. So, your coinsurance share is $4,800, and your insurance company pays the remaining $19,200. As you continue receiving care and paying your share, those are deductible, copays, and coinsurance. All these payments add up toward your out-of-pocket maximum. Once your total payments reach $6,000, which is your out-of-pocket limit for the year, your insurance company takes over your medical expenses completely. From that moment, your insurance will cover 100% of all covered medical costs for the rest of the year. That means you don't need to pay any more copays, any more coinsurance, or any more deductibles. Everything covered by your health insurance plan. Your medical care expenses will fully pay for the rest of the year by your insurance company. Now here's something very important. You should always remember, when thinking about your out-of-pocket maximum, keep this in your mind. Only covered services actually count toward your out-of-pocket maximum. Costs for things like non-covered services, balance bills, or out-of-network charges usually do not count toward your out-of-pocket limit. Also, keep in mind that each new plan year, your out-of-pocket maximum resets to zero, just like your deductible. As an AR caller, when you review a patient's account or explain their balance, always check how much of their deductible they've already met and how close they are to reaching their out-of-pocket maximum. This simple check helps you explain patient responsibility clearly and prevents confusion in billing. In short, the out-of-pocket maximum is the total limit on what you pay in a year. Once you hit that limit, your insurance takes care of the rest of your medical expenses. So, the next time someone says, "I've reached my out-of-pocket maximum," it simply means they've already paid enough for the year, and now their insurance company covers everything else.